Hello and welcome YouTube. Today we're gonna do unboxing BLU X Link smartwatch. The regular price was $100, and yeah, it was $100 on Amazon, but now it's under discount or promotion, basically 50% from BLU. It's $50. So it just arrived from Amazon, and let's see what's in the box. Where is it? Right here. Okay. Alright, so I don't need the box. And let's do unboxing. Okay, it's sealed. Alright, so let's see. BLU X Link. And it's good packaging, basically. It's nice. Let's see what it does say it here. Okay, so the one I had choose, basically it's okay, let's move this one here for just a second. And the silver one, basically, I did choose. This is it. It's gonna be very much the same. Okay, so let's do unboxing here. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna put the camera just down for a quick second because I'm using my hand. Alright, sorry about that. Okay, and now let's see where is the... Okay, so we gotta open it. Boom, chakalaka. There we go. Great. Okay, so this is it. So very much identical to what I did pay. Okay, so let's see what's in the box. And wow, it's so nice. Such a great watch. The strap, sounds like it's a leather, but it's not leather. Basically, it's rubber. Okay, so put the watch here. Let's see what's inside the magic box. Okay, comes with the USB charger, and okay, it's a micro USB. Okay, so micro USB, and what else here? Alright, so nothing here. Okay, it comes with a BLU logo sticker and a quick guide for the X Link watch. So this watch has a capability to use a micro SIM card, so it can be connected with your phone with a Bluetooth connection, or if you have another SIM card, you can open the tray here and put the SIM card, and also accepting a micro SD card as well. So you can use your SIM card here, so it's gonna be like a second phone for your daily drive. If you forget your phone, or you forgot your phone at the home, then you can use your watch as a phone. So you can text, you can call, has a heart rate, it's gonna get notifications, and it's brand new from BLU. Okay, so that's very much what I have for unboxing today. Feel free, guys, to subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Feel free to ask a question, put your comment, and I will reply to you guys. And thanks for watching. Thank you very much. Have a good day. See you next video. Take care. Bye-bye.